It's 3 p.m. Friday here at Orangeville, California. So it's nice weather, okay, and it's nice to clean up, to continue our cleanup at the backyard, okay. As you see, yan pa ho yung ating lilinisin unti-unti, you know. And then this one, nakikita po ninyo yan po ay mga wild berries. Wild po yan. Pwedeng kainin. Napakatamis po yan. Okay, lilinisin po natin unti-unti yung mga yan. At we're going to start planting. Okay? Siguro mga seedlings na muna. Okay? So please subscribe. Don't forget, like and share. Okay? Tatay Philip YouTube channel. And also likes all my reels. Thank you.